open electives. Okay. Say yes or no. Still confusing. It is audible or not? Please tell. Please at least you tell yes or no. Ramesh Sonika Prasad. It is audible, no?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay, thank
audible.
you. Thank you so much. Here we can see that this semester we have two elective subject. One is the professional elective and another is the open elective. And then in this semester, I am handling two subjects for you people. The first one is the professional elective. There is a digital switching systems. Okay, we are given that. See, in professional elective subjects, there is no option for students because the department is given the a subject. Okay, there is a digital switching system is given, and then open elective that is preferred from your side only. Okay, and then today I will send the link also. Okay, which subject you want, you can select either in our department or you go for the other department also. You can select the opt the subject, your interesting subject. I'm telling that your interesting subject, and then attend the class as per your the given department. Okay, and then same thing in this semester also. Again, I'm handling another one more subject is the ARM subject. See, ARM is the processors. Okay, ARM is nothing but is the process subjects. Means what is the working? See, in our embedded systems, that is totally depend upon the embedded system only. It is purely embedded only. We can study the what are the basic functionalities and how it is working, how the interfacing the physical system to the arm. Okay, that we are discussing that particular subject. But today we are going to talk about only the professional elective subject. There is a digital switching systems. Okay, see, this is very simple, easier subject. Okay, there's no nothing big derivation. There's no derivations. There's no problematics. Full of theory subjects. Okay, and then see means we can discussing how to the connection between the two nodes. Okay, you can see example. Suppose your one system is there, one more system is far too far away. How to make the connection between the two systems? Take an example, mobile. Okay, how it is connected. Okay, it means that in between some switching mechanism is nothing but there is a connections between the two users. Okay, suppose you take an example, Deepshi called to Sonika Prasad. How to interconnect these two peoples? Okay, because there is a intermediate systems are there, that is called as a switching system. Okay, that mean that's thing we are going to study in this particular subject. Okay, before going to this good topic, first we are discussing about the what is the COPOs. Okay, COPO means course objectives, course outcomes means, and then what are the contents are there in the particular subject that should be discussing discussion in this hour. Okay, 1 minute. Share. See, dear students, that the presentation is visible or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, visible. See, the subject name is digital switching systems. Actually, for 15 scheme students, the subject code will be a 15 EC 654. For 17 scheme student, there is a 17 EC 654. Only scheme will be changed. Remaining part will be a same only. See, 15 EC 654 is the subject code for 50 scheme students, and similarly 17 instead of 15 you put 17 EC 654 is the subject code for 17 scheme students. Okay, just code will be changed. The remaining part means content, model contents. We have 5 models. No, all the models contents will be same for both 15 and 17 scheme students. Nothing changed. Okay. See, before going to that, before going to this subject, what is the course objectives? Okay. See, we know that we have 5 models are there. 5 models are there, and then there is a 12 POs are this. It means that each objective should be mapped with the POs. Okay. See, we'll discuss one by one. No issues about that one. First, you go for the syllabus contents. Okay. First, you know that syllabus contents. But based on the syllabus contents, we are framing the objectives. Okay. Suppose we have 5 units or modules are there, means we have creating a 5 objectives. 5 objectives. Based on the objectives, we get the outcomes also. Okay. That outcomes means how much have you learned from this particular model. Based on that, we can generate or design a course outcomes. Okay, course outcome means after the completion of this studies, after the completing this subject, okay, what you learn from this subject, that is your outcomes. Okay, that is your course outcome. Means course objective is nothing but what are the need for studying this subject, what are the things we need, what is the basic information that is called as a course objectives. Okay, see, we go one by one. First, we are discussing about the syllabus. Okay, based on the syllabus, we'll write the course outcomes. Okay, see, in model 1, the main content is the development of telecommunication. How the development is going on, means development is nothing but the evolutions. Means for every decade, see, this telecommunication will be started in the 18th century and 18th centuries only. Means now it is a present will be 21, 22, 21, the 21st century only. In that centuries and in these decades, how much innovation will be happened in the telecommunication sectors. Okay, there's a development of telecommunications. It means that we can see in the ancient period how they do the communication between the 2 remote villages or 2 emperor, means through some through intermediate some methods they are using. Okay, like some beating some drums. Okay, otherwise through that drumming sound only will intimating the information for people. Okay, it is emergency bell, otherwise something. Based on the functionalities, we'll plan some beating sword. Based on the beating swords, we can communicate the information. That's the first thing. And second thing is the through carrier pigeons. Okay, if you are make a if you want to pass the information between the 2 emperors, earlier is what happened, through the pigeons only they will send the informations. Alva, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಇನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರಿವಾಳದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ 2 ಎಂಪರರ್. Okay, otherwise in the through some smoking signals. Okay, suppose these are 2 far away people, so 2 remote villages will be there, they should communicate the information between the 1 minute. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, see, for 2 regions, there is 2 remote areas, how they communicate. Suppose something is happened in the one area, means they should communicate it to the other area person, means through the smoke signals. Okay, based on that smoke signal, there is some they will thinking about some emergency or something. It's okay, like that they do the communication. See, it is audible. Say yes or no, please. Hello, dear student, it is audible. Say yes or no. For my confirmation, I'm asking that it is audible. Say yes or no, dear students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Like that means developments means how they done the communication between the 2 remote areas or 2 emperor or 2 users. Nowadays we call as a nodes, or we can also call as a users. Okay, there's a thing, the evolutions we are discussing about the module 1. After that, network structure. Network structure means how they do the connections between the two people. In earlier is in 90s or 80s, what happened? There is a wire. Through the wire only we can communicate the two users. Okay, there is a structures. It is a single structure or double structure, is a multi-structure. It may be in terms of single bus, double bus, in mesh loop, or in case of star connections. Okay, there's a structure, different type of structures we have discussed in this section. And then transmission, how do the transmission in terms of analog transmission, in terms of digital transmissions. Okay, and then we should know that regulations. Okay, regulations and standards. Okay, standard means for every users. See, we have three important partners are there. One is the telecommunication, signaling, and then products, and then end users equipments. Okay, end user equipment is nothing but the mobile phones. Nowadays, what happens? End user equipment is the mobile phones, and networking they will provide the some other party, and transmission also given some other party. These are the three major elements. It means that, see, each there is a, suppose if you go for networking, okay, the level of the signaling should be limited, not go behind that some limitations. Okay, they will fix that this much of kilohertz. Suppose if you go for the higher frequency range, what happen? It is harmful. It is a harmful for human health. Otherwise, birds, animal health also. Okay, that's why there is some limitations, some standards will be there, and then some regulation should be there followed for the each and every equipments, signalings or transmissions also. Okay, that is the standards, and then they fix some standard, and then standard means specification of the end user. There should be a standard, not that, not the should not go for the behind that particular standards. And then if you in the standards means we can take an example for insulations. See, we need some insulation. If you go for your mobile phones, okay, nowadays what happen? There is a water resistance. Mobile phones are there, means they given some different protection. IP protections are given. 68 IP68 is the water resistance protection. That is standard name. Okay, like that IP55 for the insulation. There is a insulation for the conducting materials. Okay, that should be standard. Means each equipment having some standard equipment should be used for building a thing. Okay, if you suppose you can take an example, there is a telephone exchange is there, no? That is also intermediate. Means through the telephone exchange only we can make the connection between the two users. Okay, in telephone exchanges office also we can a set of rules and regulations also will be there. This many nodes we should be connected, like that. Okay, there should be standard and regulation. See, the standard and regulation will be formed by the government, central government. Otherwise, union governments are there. In earlier is what happened. There is a telecommunication union sectors are there. They will set some regulation and standards. Now that the same thing will be followed by the government of India, and also same thing will be followed by the state government of Karnataka. Okay, these things will be means the telecom, the international union telecommunication sector, they will set some regulation and standards. And then introduction to the telecommunication transmission. How do the connection, how do the signals should be passing between the two users, that will also be studies. And then power levels, how much of power in terms of dBs, how much of power we are given for the users for transmission receiving the informations. And then four-wire circuit. Four-wire circuit is nothing but, see, you can see in early 90s what happened. There's a ring phones as well. Okay, ring telephone. There's a normal ring phones are there. That ring phone is nothing but how many wires is required? 4 wires is required. 2 wire for the sending the information, 2 wire for the receiving the information. That's why how the connections between the happen between the 2 ring phones, normal ring phones. Okay, that kind of system is called as a 4 wire circuits. Earlier is what happened, through the wire connections only we can make the connection between the users. Okay, say yes or no? Getting now? Hello? Say it is audible? Dear students, say yes or no? Hello? 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 Deepshi? Subramanya Reddy? Sonika Prasad?
Yes, sir.
We
It's
can
audible
hear,
now?
sir.
It's understandable?
Yes, sir. It's audible.
Okay. Then transmission systems. Nowadays There's a different type of transmission system we are using. It may be a frequency division, modulation, or time division, modulation, or pulse division, modulation, like that. Other combination of time and space division, space division modulations. Okay, means this is a set of different types of modulation techniques we are using for transmitting and receiving the information between the two users that we have discussed in detail in the module 1. There's a FDM, RTDM, RPHT, and SDS, space, pulse, time, and frequency division modulation techniques are used. Okay, means see, model 1 is very easy. I will give the what are the some important questions that also I have given. The same question will be they will ask in the external exam as well as the IA also. Okay, in module 2, again we are discussing about the evolutions. Okay, evolutions earlier, how they do the communication between these two regions or two peoples. Okay, see now what happened earlier is a message switching, means that is a telegram. Telegraph, you know, now it is stopped. Earlier they're using the telegraph. So okay, if you want to send the information for the some people through some persons, intermediate person, they will pass the informations between the two towns or two cities. Okay, in that they mention only short messages, only emergency, like that. Okay, if you see in earlier what happened, if you get the telegram, means they will the people will be stuck because of that is an emergency messages. Okay, the telegraph, now the telegraph will be it is in off, means they are already completely removed from the Indian post only. Okay, that also we are discussing in this module 2. There's a with that kind of technique is called as a message switching. Okay, after that is a circuit switching. Okay, then there's a function of the switching system, distributions, and basic of crossbar system and electronic system. Means every decade what happen, the switching evolutions will be going on. Initially what happen, through the message only will make the switching mechanisms, and then after that by using some circuitry means electromagnetic contacts we are using to make the connection between the two users. Okay, after that again the evolution will be going on. They further go for the crossbar mechanisms. That is a crossbar mechanism. Wait a minute. Um, Sorry for the disturbance. It is audible. Hello, dear students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry for the disturbance. See, what we were discussing in the module 2. See how the evolution will be happen. Switching and is very simple appa. ಈಗೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ನಾವು ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್, there is a connections between the switch and directly connected to the motors. If you turn on means it will, the current will be flowing that, then automatically what happen, the fan will be start running. Okay, it means that end to end connections will be there, direct connections will be there. But in telephone sector, not like that. Okay, there is a limitation of communication. That means if you go for direct connection means what happen, the initial cost will be going very high. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮನೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವೈರ್ ಎಳಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ exchange office will be there. Through that only we can make the connections. Okay, that connection means manually. Then in earlier days what happened, it will be manually, it will be operated. After that, after some time what happened, through some circuits, through some circuitaries, they will using means there are electromagnetic circuits they are using for make the connection between the two users. After that what happened, they using the crossbar mechanism through magnetic contactors. Through that magnetic contactors they are using the connection between the two users. After that, ICs, electronic switching is nothing but some integrated ICs they are using to make the connection between the two users. So that means every decade what happened, there is some evolutions that will be happened in the switching system. Okay, and then next, digital switching system means how to do the switching. There is some hierarchy level will be there. Okay, see, for local exchanges how they make the connections. If you go for district level connections, there is some hierarchy will be there. If you go for state wise, there is some hierarchy. If you go for the national wave, national, regional, national, there is some hierarchy. If you go for the international region connections between the two users, there is some hierarchy level with it. Means which regions they should prefer first, second, third, means hierarchy levels. Okay, means initially the base, after the base some local exchanges, after that regional, primary regional, secondary regional, and then national levels and international level. That is the hierarchy that we are discussed in the module 2. Okay, after that functions. Okay, what is the purpose, what is the function for each region? Okay, that function we are discussed. And then stored program control, it means stored program control. There's a ICs, means microcontroller based switching mechanism they are using. In that the working principle will be purely depend upon the stored programs. Okay, again building blocks us. And then we also discussing what is the basic call processing. Basic call processing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 2. Okay, again coming to the model 3, telecommunication tariff. Traffic means the traffic is nothing but, you know, that traffic means there's number of users will be increased in the particular telephone exchanges. The traffic will be happier, means during that time what happened, there's no there's a call connection, some calls will be lost also, otherwise some messages will be in the queue only. Okay, there's a traffic conjunctions. Okay, that are discussed in the module 3. In that unit of traffic, conjunction, and then what is the traffic measurements and mathematical model. Here we are discussing some models, mathematical models. Okay, and then last call systems, and then queue systems. Okay, suppose you can take an example. Suppose if you make a call for your friends, what happen, if it is immediately connected means there is no traffic in the particular line. Suppose what happen, suppose if your call will be not connected properly, if your call will be last particular time, during that time what happen, that we can call as it is a traffic will be there in that particular networking, particular exchange office. Means the more lines will be means the more number of calls will be tried to connect it in the particular junctions or in the networking telephone exchanges. That's why what happen, if more traffic will be there, sometime what happen, the calls will be lost. Otherwise, if you send the message to some of your friends means to your friend means, if you suppose the message will be immediately received by your friend means there is no traffic in that particular connection. Suppose if you take some time, after some time the received message means during the sending time what happen, there is a more traffic will be there, but message is not lost, but message will be in a queue. After the traffic will be less. Suppose after the after some time, when the traffic will be free, the your queue message will be delivered to the particular users. Okay, that's why. Okay, if the traffic will be more means sometime what happen, the message will be stored in the queue. Okay, when traffic will be free, then the message will be received by the particular user. Suppose during the calling process also, if traffic will be more in the particular line, what happen, immediately your call will be lost. Okay, if suppose the traffic will be less means what happen, immediately the connection will be connected between the two users. That is a traffic congestion. We can call it a congestion also, that also discussed in the module 3. Okay, and then in the again in the module 3 there's a switching system. We go for the introduction, single stage. We are different stage networks are there, and grading. Grading grading is nothing but how much of efficiency for the particular efficiency we can calculate the efficiency for that particular lines are networking. Okay, again link systems and GOS of linked system, that also we are discussed in the module 3. See, in the module 3 we have some problematic also will be means we should calculate the what is the grading means how much of line should be connected in the particular telephone network, that will be identified by using the grading mechanisms. Okay, and module 4 will be a full of software type means what are the software we are using in the switching system, that things we are discussed in the module number 4. Okay, in module 4 first what will you do means switching mechanism we are discussing here. In first module we are discussed initially what is the brief introduction about the FDM, TDM and then space switching mechanism. Here in the module 4 we are discussing the in detail about the switching system, like introduction of the space switching, how it is working, how they make the connection between the n number of and n number of incoming call and n number of outgoing calls. Okay, it means incoming and outgoing, and similarly time switchings, and also some combination of time and space, time or space, time space, like that we are make the connections because see, not only for simple users, for long distance for long distance peoples, for too far distance peoples also, because we are transmission will be very important for the long distance. Okay, during that we are using a different type of switching mechanisms are used in the each telephone networking system. Again, coming to the softwares. Okay, what are the types of software we are used for each switching system? And we need see, for every processing system we have some architectures. Okay, what type of architectures they are used in the switching system, and then control level controls. Okay, means we are level control, level 1, level 2 and level 3 controls having different architectures, because each level having a some specific functions they are controlling. And suppose you go for the level 2 control, they are also using some specific levels, control of levels, and on level 3 there are also some specific controlling methods are used for switching system. Again, classifications, what type of classification they are using, software classification, call modules and linkages. See, during the call processing, there is a n number of programs are there, because for making a call, making a ringing, making a connecting, there is some store programs, some programs will be working. Okay, see, like that how many programs are involved to make the a single call. Okay, that is the linkages, that is called the how many software linkages during the call. And call futures, see, nowadays what happened earlier in ring type phones, there are no futures, only we have one specific applications are there for transmission for information between the two users. Not nowadays what happened, there is a n number of specifications that are used specification, a number of features they are used. Okay, like call forwarding, uh, call forwarding option, blocking options, data applications, roaming, okay, roaming, incoming call, outgoing calls, okay, and then like that. That is the special functions they now will be adding. See, these functions will be based on the demand from the customers. It is not mandatory features. Mandatory feature only incoming and outgoing calls nowadays. What happen if you go for some other extra feature when you add to in your system or in your user in your phone means you should add some of the future. Okay, in this year we are discussing some future like call forwarding features or call blocking features. Okay, that we are discussed here, and then flow diagram, future flow diagram, and future interactions. Okay, see, in module 3 is very easy compared to the module 3. Sorry, module 4 is very easy compared to the module 3. See, module 3 also very easy, but in module 3 second half there is some problematic will be there. Okay, hello, it is audible. Say yes or no, dear students. Venkat, Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಹಲೋ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ. ಹಲೋ ವೆಂಕಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್. Whatever things are there, whatever the contents are there, each model, that thing we are given the brief introduction about the contents only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತರ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೇ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ. ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. 1 second will discuss. Okay, and model 5 is also very easiest subject, easy model, because we are discussing about the maintenance. Okay, see, maintenance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಬೈಕ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there is some maintenance will be there ನಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ತರ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ವಿಚಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. Okay, see, in everything, so in every sector, if you go for telephone, some hardware components, or there will be some software component also will be there. Okay, it means we should do the both the maintenance for both the hardware as well as the software. Here also software maintenance. And then what are the things are interconnected in the central office? Okay, see, telephone exchanges, that also called as a central office. Okay, and then outages is problems. Okay, problems, and then impact of what is outages and its impact on digital switching system reliabilities, impact of power patches, digital switching system maintainability, and methodology for proper maintenance of digital switching system. Means that we are discussing about the maintenance about the central office or telephone exchange. Again, some generic is nothing but we need some more thing, some more patches. Generic on software updation agbodu, ಏನಾರ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Okay, there is a generic digital switching system model, induction, hardware architecture, software architecture, recovery strategies. So recovery strategy means if you make any call means everything will be stored. Okay, if suppose the anything issues will be there in the in your phone, otherwise so take an example for in your phone only, there is some recovery mechanisms will be there. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ ಏನಾರು ಹಾಳಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ how to gather the information from that phone. Some technologies, some particular software there will be, the software will be installed in the particular module or devices. We can recover the information from the devices. Okay, there's a recovery strategy. Here also same thing. Suppose any processor will be ಏನಾರ processor failure ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, because we have stored so much information in the processors or ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ recovery strategy, how they are doing the strategy recovery things. Okay, then And then recovery, simple call through digital switching, and then common characteristics and how to increase the reliability of the switching system. That we are going to discuss reliability analysis. Okay, these are the contents. Okay, these are the 5 models. See, this is very easiest subject because all the models will be only theory part will be there is no problematic. But some in model 3 there is some derivations will also be there, some problems also will be there. That also very simple problem and simple derivation also, but it is very easy to learn and easy to understood also because ಡೈಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಏನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? And then coming to the text books, there's a 2 text books will be there. Digital switching system, Said or Ali, and then telecommunication and switching traffic and networking, JE Fold. Okay, these 2 are the test books for this particular subject. Okay, clear about this one? Hello, say yes or no? These are the, please note down the test books. Okay, and see these 2 test books are available in the library also. Okay, you go on collect the take the test book from this library. Okay, then see after completing these subjects what is the course outcomes. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಈಚ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ನಾವು ಓದಿದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಏನಾರ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾರು ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರದೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, that is the first outcome. First outcome is the memorized and understood the network structure, regulation, standards, and transmission techniques of telecommunication network. See, this CO is the purely mapped with the module 1. Okay, after studying this module 1, you should know these things. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು model 1 ಓದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು model 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. If you go also some structure means we can easily identify the which kind of structure ಇದು ಅಂತ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಅದು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ, ವೈರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸ್ವಿಚಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು CO ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಮೆಮೊರೈಸಿಂಗ್ and understood the network structure, regulation, standards, and transmission techniques of telecommunication network. That is your first outcome. And second one is the apply and analyze the operation of telephone lines and different types of telecommunication switches. Okay, we see in the module 2 what we are discussed. What we are discussing means types of switching systems, telecommunication types of switches we are discussing. Like we can see that structure, we can see the what kind of this switching system here. We suppose you go for the line switching means wire switching system. What type of switching system we are using means we can easily tell about that one. No sir, this is a crossbar mechanism or it may be a ICs, electromagnetic switches they are using for connection between the two user, manually or digitally. If you go for nowadays mobile phone connection, wireless communication, what kind of switching means through the store program controller, ICs, integrated ICs switching system they are using for connections between the two users. You can easily tell about the connection types, and then you can easily analyze that also. And third one is the traffic, identifying the telephone traffic and design different networking stages and grading the system of switching system. Grading ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಕಾಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಂದು 10 ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಈಗ 10 ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರೀ 5 ಕಾಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 0.5 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 5/10 ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 5% ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 0.5 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 50% ಗ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, there is a set of regulation, there is a set of standards are there. Okay, the grading should be this limit 0.7 to 0.8 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70 to 80% ಇದ್ರೇನೆ we can conclude that that is a good telecommunication networking or system ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, that thing we are discussed. Okay, ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಕನ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, grading is nothing but efficiency of the central office or telephone exchanges. Okay, suppose there's a more conjunctions, otherwise there's a more traffic in the particular telecommunication central office. Means what will do means we should enhance the system, extension of the networking that can do to reduce the efficiency. So increasing the efficiency, not reduce the increasing the grading systems. Okay, and fourth outcome is the we also know that different timing switching systems. Okay, it may be time or it may be a space division. Okay, and also classify the switching system softwares. Classify the digital switching system software. Classification of softwares. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ you can easily identify the what type of software they are using for the switching system. Okay, there is a classification. After studying this model number 4, after studying completing this subject, these things you should know. Okay, and then classify maintenance only, analyze and digital switching system model, and it is maintenance. Okay, these are the 5 objectives, 5 outcomes. See, each outcomes will be related to the each modules. Okay, after completing this subject, after completing this course, you should be means the student should be able to do the like these 3 outcomes, 5 outcomes. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Clear about this one? Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ? ಹಲೋ, ಈಗ ನೀವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ. ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿವೇ next year again you'll start your project work. Okay, and during the project work, what you should identify the problems. What is the problem? Okay, it is economic or individual problem, you should identify. If you do something, you should do innovation. After innovation, after completing some prototype or model, what happen, that should be useful for the society or society. Correct? That is the outcomes. Okay, andre ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್? What is the benefit? Okay, that benefit is called as a outcomes. Okay, that benefit is called as a outcome. Same thing here also, same. After completing this subject, after ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Okay, still morning section in the till 3 classes is over na. 2 classes or 3 classes will be over na. For all the 3 classes, today what will they do means they will give the brief introduction about the course. Correct na? Courses. Okay, why you need to study this course, what is the outcomes, what are the contents are there. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Say yes or no? ಹಲೋ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐಲ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ, ನಾವು ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟು ಐಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ನನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, I thinking okay the students are listening ಅಂತ. If it is no one react that ಯಾರು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, nobody is there ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That's why every 10 minutes, every 5 minutes I will asking questions. Okay, next anyway tomorrow onwards we are conducting the classes, regular classes. No, if this also regular classes, we will go for the depth in the subject. We will start module 1. After completing every content, I will ask some questions. Should give the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಚ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಈಚ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಲೋ, ಸೇ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ವೆಂಕಟ್, ದೀಪ್ಶಿ, ಸೋನಿಕಾ, ರಮೇಶ್, ಇದರ ಇಲ್ಲೋಪ
Yes, sir.
Sir.
okay. Okay, and then as usual the morning classes they will also told about the program outcomes. Okay, they will define 12 program outcomes. Okay, the first outcome is the engineering knowledge. It means that engineering knowledge, how it is helped to your subject, how much of knowledge will be the engineering knowledge. It is mapped with that particular COs or not. That things. Okay, it is medium level or it may be high level or it may be a low level. Okay, strong. We can call it as a strong, medium, and then low. Okay, suppose engineering. See, suppose if for example how to map with POs with COs. Okay, suppose you can see in the table. In the table, program outcomes in the row, and then column there is a course outcomes. Suppose the first A to L is the there is a 12 program outcomes. Each program should be matched with the COs. Suppose if you take an example, the first of program outcomes there is the engineering knowledge. Okay, see, all we all define the COs across outcomes, but for COs 1 also 1 to 5 we need some knowledge, engineering knowledge. Engineering knowledge is nothing but fundamentals of engineering, complex. Okay, we need some. Okay, apply knowledge of mathematics, science, engineering fundamentals, engineering specialization means we need some basic fundamental of the engineering ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸಿ 5 ಗಂಟು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Strong means higher priority. We are given the higher priority means it is a more required. Strong. Okay, like that we have mapped with the all POs will be mapped with the COs. Suppose you take an example, 7th, there's a engineering and sustainability. Environment and sustainability. We can see 7 means G. Say C1, sustainability and environment required now because of we some tell about the some standards, some regulation. That's why I given the strong one. Okay, CO2 also structures. Like after CO3 not required, CO4 will be strong. Like that, we'll map it that one. And then we can see observe 11th one, lifelong learning. Oh, okay. Every time what happened, there's the updations will be there. What happened, we can learn every time. That's why I given all the COs will be mapped with the strong only. There is a blank will be there, no? Nothing will be there. There's a blank box will be there. That is indication for low. Okay, that is indication for low. Okay, ethics, you go for the 8 ethics. Andre H. See, strong ethics should be there. C2 will be medium, C3 will be medium, C4 will be low, C5 will be strong. Okay, that's why you should also do this like this one, map with them. Means the content should be mapped with this all the all the COs contents, outcome contents will be mapped with the POs. Okay, see 12th one, the project management finance. The C1 is mapped with that one. No, CO2 will be mapped with the 12th one. There is a project management and finance. Okay, that's why given the medium, and remaining all the COs will be low only. Okay, clear about this one? Okay, dear students, today I will stop here. Okay, anyway, one more classes will be there. There's a regular classes, in last hour classes will be there for ARM classes. Okay, I will intimate you. Today I will not take that class. Okay, tomorrow onwards I will take the ARM class. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಲೋ, ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರ್ ನೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ 10 minutes I will intimate it. I will taking are engaged or not. Okay, if it is engaged means everyone should be join the class. If not engaged means I will take some time. After some time I will take the classes of evening. Otherwise some other days I will take the classes. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ರೂಪಶ್ರೀ? ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ರೂಪಶ್ರೀ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನಾನೀಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 minutes, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ರೂಪಶ್ರೀ? ಹಲೋ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾರು? ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ರೂಪಶ್ರೀ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ಸಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 6 ಅದರ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 7 ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Yes, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.
Thank you, sir.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಸರ್.